The next exercise is a knee over toe split squat. What we need, okay, is an elevated surface here that we can put our foot up on. Now what we're trying to do is, we're trying to do two things here. We're trying to close the angle of our knee here by driving our knee forward over our toe. At the same time, we want to try and go into the ball of the foot on the back leg here and try and open this up. So what we're doing is, this works the muscles in the front of the leg. It's teaching us in a very controlled environment, because the knee is elevated, to go in here and close. But the real benefit is this back leg. We're getting this hip flexor stretch all the way down from our hip flexor down towards our knee here. So we're going to go and hold this for 30 seconds. Right, when you finish 30 seconds, you can come back up, obviously, and then we change sides and we do the split squat on the other leg. So leaning forward here into this. So try to drive the knee over the toe there. The elevated surface allows that to happen because it's a little bit easier. And then we sit up nice and straight here, and we're getting a big stretch from the back leg in a safe and controlled manner for you to work that element here. If you need to, obviously you can hold on. You can position this into a thing with a wall or a doorway or a squat rack if you're in the gym for a bit of stability. Or if you can't, you can use two poles to hold yourself. But just try to work out that we're driving the knee in front of the toe here, because this leg is now getting massive benefit in closing. This leg is getting huge benefit in opening up and stretching from here. That's the knee over toe split squat.